What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2019 Honda Pilot. This one's an 8-passenger and it's got the touring trim, so we get tons of awesome features inside and outside this Honda Pilot. Starting up on this front end, we have these sweet looking headlights, LEDs. Got these LED strips around the headlights, and those pop in the nighttime. They look amazing. We got a chrome wrapped front grille with fog lights down on bottom. Coming around to the side, we get these massive two-tone alloy rims, silver and glossy black. And then we got chrome trimming around the windows and on the door handles. Coming around to the back here, we got the Pilot badge on left, touring on right, backup camera just under this Honda badge, and then an automatic power lift gate. Being an 8-seater, you get a lot of capability with the back of your car. You get a ton of cargo space. You can put down this third row of seating. Within this third row of seating, we have AC vents, 4 cup holders. Lots of cool stuff going on back here. 12-volt power outlet to the left. This closes automatically as well. Other than that, though, we do get keyless entry. Let's take a look inside. Alright, guys, as for the interior of this Honda Pilot, the touring trim gives us a ton to talk about. Up on the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, and cruise control. Over here on the right is where you'll find your lane keep and adaptive cruise control. It also does have paddle shifters on the back. Over to the left, we get our eco mode, collision warning, lane departure warning, traction control. Front 2 windows are automatic, and this does come with memory seats. And then just up in front, we got our trunk latch, gas cap, and our hood latch. On the infotainment system, we got lots to go through. This does come stock with navigation, rear entertainment system. We'll get into that in a sec. Then FM, AM radios, Bluetooth audio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Those two will allow you to open up your own navigation, your own music apps through your cell phone, and just a lot more customization. You got USB connection there. And then just underneath, we got our push to start. This does come stock with dual zone AC in the passenger side and driver side, as well as vents in the back seats with controls and heated seats. And just underneath, we have 2 headphone jacks with an HDMI port, a plug-in outlet, and then 2 USBs for charging. Just below the AC controls, front 2 seats are heated, just like the back ones. And we have a Blu-ray disc player for that rear entertainment, 12-volt power outlet, and a USB for audio connection. A little bit of compartment space up front as well. The gear shifter, we got 4 buttons instead. We got park, pull back for reverse, push for neutral, push for drive. Then we got a snow mode and an automatic start and stop engine system. Our console, we get 2 sets of headphones, a remote control, and then our power outlet in there, 12 volt, and then our aux and a USB for charging. So we got a pretty big console, armrests for these front seats, and then a full light gray leather interior, super premium quality, really comfortable, and we get tons of room all over this vehicle. Up above us, we do get a moonroof. Controls for that are just up in front of it, and then we got Homelink on the rear view mirror. Just in back, our rear entertainment system. We got the TV for these back seats, so you can hook up the Blu-ray player to this. You get the headphones, the headphone jacks back here. So that is a sweet feature on the inside of this Honda Pilot. Overall, beautiful interior, super comfortable, tons of stuff to do. One more really cool feature on this Honda Pilot is the backup camera. I'll throw it in reverse real quick. So we got the guidance lines as we turn the steering wheel, and then we got 3 different camera angles. So we got our kind of closer up angle, this is a wider angle, and this will actually give you a vertical straight down angle to see, just to make sure you're not hitting anything. And as you get closer to objects such as cars, it'll actually start beeping at you. It's got kind of that radar warning just to see how close you are. So pretty cool backup camera on this Honda Pilot. Alright guys, to wrap it up, this new 2019 Honda Pilot is in amazing condition with no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. It's got a one-owner vehicle with just over 13,000 miles, and under the hood it's packing a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine that gets up to 20 miles per gallon in city, 27 on the highway, and that seats up to 8 people on the inside with that full leather interior. This thing is literally built for customization. You get that infotainment system loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth capabilities, rear entertainment system. On the exterior we get LED headlights, tons of safety options, alloy rims, moonroof. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company, check it out. We'll see you guys soon.